Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Yes, I did it and I'm sure you can do that too. So let's get right into the video. Please subscribe, it really helps a lot. So all you need to do is open up your TikTok app and click on your profile first of all. So you can see I have less than 1,000 followers. I only have 390 followers as of now, and I went live. So this is a video of me live right here. So all you need to do is click on this plus sign. You can see right here. Click on that, and once you click on that, you will see this live option right here. You can see that. But if you can actually see yours, I'm going to show you a way you can actually do that. So for that, you can see I have the live option already, and I can just click on go live and I'm going to be live. But I'm not going to do this because some of you might not see this live option. I'm going to show you how to see that and get that even without 1,000 followers. So all you need to do is go back. You have to leave this page right here and stay on your profile. Yes, because we'll be needing your profile. So all you need to do is actually click on these three lines, those three horizontal lines you can see up above your screen, and you click on settings and privacy. You scroll down, yes, till you see help center. You click on the help center and they're going to bring out a lot of things. You click on live. So you're going to click on how to go live right there. So once you click on that, okay, it's going to bring up something, a page for you. So you see they're going to tell you how, but if you don't even have that, you need to go back and click on, wait, let me go back, click on live right there. And once you click on that, you're going to click on chat with us right there. You can see the red button, and here you're going to say, okay, say hi. You can see I can't start live. You click on that and you engage with them, and they're going to give you an option for you to actually go live. They're going to make it easier for you. So this is actually how to go live without 1,000 followers. If you have find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.